Hey everyone, I actually lost the intro to this video, but I am in Berlin. I am sort of solo travelling. I did meet my friend Nikki here, but enjoy the video. So I'm currently at my hostel. I just checked in. The lighting is so good. This room is quite big and there's a lot of natural light coming in, which is nice. So this is it. Lockers there. And obviously you are sharing with strangers. I think I'm gonna take this bed. But yeah, just gonna settle in here for a little while and then I'm gonna go and meet up with my friend Nikki. I found Nikki now and we're at the Berlin Cathedral, and I just wanted to tell you guys at the same time what just happened to me. I was in my hostel, right, and I get in there and I pick my bed. I pick number 4.
Yeah,
I just wanted that one. And the sheets aren't made up, so I made the bed.
Yeah.
The entire bed, sheets, pillowcase, everything. And this other guy comes in and starts unpacking, and I'm like, oh hi. And I'm wondering, like, why is he not making his bed?
Yeah.
Like, you may as well do it now. And then he left. And then as I left the room and like locked up and everything, I looked down at my keys and I realised I made the wrong bed. I'm meant to be in bed number 2. So I'm pretty sure I've just stolen this man's bed. And I don't know what to do. Like, am I gonna go back and there's gonna be him in my bed?
Oh, maybe.
Because like I left some stuff on there so that people would know it's my bed.
Yeah.
But it's not my bed.
It's not your bed. I reckon you guys could just swap. I don't think it'll be that big of a
Probably.
deal. Yeah.
I'm hoping so.
Because you do have a bed, so you could just like swap with him.
I'm just gonna be so embarrassed if he comes in and like, you're in my bed.
Could you imagine? No, but what if he's like, thanks for making my bedding, love? And like, you're just like, okay.
I've been mortified.
But then
An interesting turn of events. It's now hailstoning.
it's terrifying.
It's just lightning and thundered like hell. We're stuck sheltering and it's really cold. Hey everyone, it is actually the second day, as you've seen from some clips that I've filmed. It has been quite difficult to film talky parts with me staying in a hostel as well and having roommates. I want to stay respectful of them. And I've just finished my walking tour as well, so obviously I couldn't talk and tell you about that because I was being told about that. But there was a couple of bits I forgot to film. The little Berlin Wall that's still standing. And Checkpoint Charlie, but I did take some pictures, so I'll put them in here. And I'm currently at the Jewish Museum. I'm about to go into there and have a wander around. So I will be able to film, I think, in there. Obviously just not talking bits, so I'll just show you what kind of exhibitions are there and stuff. did the museum, which was nice, and then I just went to Lidl, got some croissants and a protein milkshake. No one said anything last night about being in the wrong bed, and we had an extra roommate, so all 6 beds were full. No one said anything, so I'm assuming it's fine. I'm just gonna sleep in that bed. But the walking tour was really good. It was just over 2 hours long. I'm gonna link it down below in case you guys come here and you want to do this tour. Good morning. I'm currently walking along the East Side Gallery. As you can see, I look very tired. I've got no makeup on. I'm getting ready for my flight soon. Just wanted to see all the art because I drove past it on the bus, but not like actually seen it and like take pictures of everything. It's actually really nice to be up this early like doing this because no one else is here. Like you can see behind me, I'm literally the only person being a tourist here right now. So I am back in my car now. I had a nice long sleep on the plane. I booked through Holiday Extras to get this car park, and I just want to say thank you to them for gifting me that, and also the airport lounge, which if you've never stayed in an airport lounge before, do it because it's such a good experience. So yeah, a huge thank you to Holiday Extras. You can go and check them out. I'm going to link their website below. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I've got a long drive back. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My Instagram and my TikTok are linked down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!